What SPIE does is they provide maintenance and services for clients in the build environment and help them with problems they might have within that environment. MoreApp has brought some clarity. We had a lot of reports, a lot of different reports actually, and MoreApp has just brought them all together. So now we have one report for every customer instead of many reports for our customers. We use the MoreApp at SPIE for maintenance reports, so to say. So any report we have to do where we have to show the client what we've done, how we've done it, or if there was any problems. For me as a project manager, it brings clarity. So I know what has to be done, and I know what our technicians see when they go onto the work floor. I know what we can expect, and I know what the customer can expect, and I can talk to them. The key integrations that we're using at this point are Google Sheets. We're also experimenting with the task integration. We use these integrations for keeping track of orders. So for instance, we have a list of orders in Google Sheets that we use to see, okay, so which ones are done, which ones are not done, and the technician can just select the ones he or she is doing. The one thing we're very happy with the MoreApp is just the forms that we're making. They look amazing, they are very clear, and the customers are happy, we are happy, and well, it's probably the best thing we're achieving right now with the MoreApp. We would recommend MoreApp because it's very easy to use. It makes it easy to make good looking forms. A lot of integration, so even if you have Word or Excel or anything, you can just integrate it. And of course, also the support we're getting is amazing. Questions get solved really quickly. There's a lot of good communication, so I would say that's also a reason why I would recommend it.